Hello my young friends, in February 2021 we launched the Study with Sudhir app on Play Store, and the first batch that we launched dealt with History Civics ICSE Class 10, and we called it the Century Batch because we thought that would help students score a century in History Civics paper. Subsequently, in the first week of March, we launched the Ashwin Batch, and that dealt with the English language paper. Both these courses were for 2 months till the board exams were to start in the first week of May. Unfortunately or fortunately, the board exams got cancelled, so the papers were not written. It was a short 2-month long journey, but we achieved a lot during that short period of time. There were many friendships which were forged. There was a nice mentor-student relationship that was forged, and we do hope that whatever was taught, whatever was imparted, whatever was communicated during those 60 odd days will play a major role in kind of shaping their personalities in the many years to come. So let's take a look at some of the testimonials the students of the Ashwin and the Century Batch sent us, and this is what they had to say.
This app provided us with videos and along with it something exclusive, and those were the notes of the mentor, Sir Sudhir. Secondly, this app provided us with regular assignments on important exercises like transformation of sentences where we had to join them without using and, but or so, and also deadline assignments in the form of essays, formal letters, informal letters which were directly checked by Sir.
I was able to score 79 out of 80 in my History Civics pre-board exam, and that was completely because of him.
What I'm taking from here is everlasting knowledge and also love for learning. Talking about the content, it was so elaborate and it was very evident that Sudhir sir has put in a lot of effort to make it for us. The question papers and also the answer keys, both of them helped me score so well in my school pre-board examinations, and also it instilled in me a confidence that I will do well in my board examinations as well. We had a chat room where we discussed doubts, and also my batchmates sent question papers, which was very helpful. Sudhir sir was constant support. He always cleared our doubts and also motivated us throughout the journey. So it is highly recommended, and it was all in all a wonderful learning experience.
The videos were detailed, which made my concepts clear. The notes were also very professional and very helpful. The best part of the batch was that it gave me a lot of confidence and new words which improved my vocabulary. The history videos were very comprehensive and the best for exam preparations. The civic videos were a powerhouse and will be helpful throughout my life. I think that no other teacher can make civics more interesting than Sir. Finally, the tons of test and practice questions made things easier.
So as you know that this year, owing to the COVID pandemic, everyone's schools were shut, which affected our studies to a great extent. But thanks to Sudhir sir, who came to our rescue, along with his creative and imaginative videos, which helped me to score better marks in my prelim examinations. His videos were creative in the sense they had many key points and many key aspects which were important for our board examinations.
The Century Batch was priced at such a low cost and it was completely worth it. The notes were crisp, the video lessons, they were amazing, they were to the point, very short, very brief, and it had everything that was necessary. I mean, anything Sir said, if you just write that, you would get full marks.
For English language, Sir explained us all the grammatical rules in great detail and ensured that we did not make any such mistakes, any silly mistakes with all his quizzes and test papers. And one more thing, that he gave us 2 new words every day, almost every day, so that we could make our vocabulary much better.
The notes provided by Sir are very crisp and they help me to revise in a very efficient manner before the exam time. The test given by Sir helped me to analyze my mistakes and I worked on it.
Thank you, Sudhir sir, for everything you did. I would suggest you to join the courses on Study with Sudhir app. It would really clear all your doubts and it would be really beneficial.
As far as Ashwin batch is concerned, I think this is the best ever batch for ICSE Class 10 English language paper in particular. It contains numerous test papers, mock tests, video lectures, and the best part of Ashwin batch was its notes, which were available after every video lecture. The videos and notes of Ashwin batch were having a detailed analysis of each and every topic step by step, along with numerous examples of each and every type. The sample essays written by you were definitely very distinct and crisp. They gave us an idea about how to write.
Thank you so much for taking us on this journey of learning everyday new words from you to the mock test and competing with the fellow mates on writing good essays. Thank you so much, sir.
I would like to suggest my junior to follow Sir Sudhir, as he could be the best mentor you have ever encountered in your entire life.
Sir Sudhir is unique in his ability to make difficult stuff look easy. While other teachers complain about having the wrong students, he becomes the right teacher for today's students and wins their hearts and minds. His beats and images produce a hypnotizing effect, and his lines get into the students' minds.
The notes provided for English language were so precise and so accurate, and it helped us to the larger extent.
Every time calming down, providing us with the best option to move forward in life, always motivating us to do better. Thank you so much, sir.